Yeah, I've been great, staying inside. We sparking up and let it ventilate. Calling my plug, the packet passing through the interstate. They can't relate, they making fun and then they imitate. I got whiskey and psilocybin, time to levitate. In a better place, cause I meditate and medicate. On the better days, pedestals can never elevate. I ain't slowing down, never sleeping, working 10 to 8. When I found myself, then I ran away.
Fun coming across the street from a window. There's a crew I'd like to meet. They live there, unaware of me, and I'm okay with the view and the lovely little fresh tunes they play there. Unaware of me.
Living carefree, always get it, I mean I can promise it's a guarantee. Got her phone on silent, she's in charge of what her parents see. Been a one-on-one, I'm the one, yeah, apparently. I go anywhere when I blow up like it's confetti. I was born ready, live forever like I'm Tom Petty. I've been going steady, I'm a drug but dying on any. I was born treading, dead bodies, yeah, I saw many. You don't fuck with me, you don't love me, why you commenting?
Well, how many are over there?
There's like 10 to 8, they don't move in silence, they go loud and they penetrate. And girls are showing up, it's a crowd, now they set it straight. Volume on max, now it's time for me to renegade.
Hey, already, I've been thinking about some things that I'ma drink about. I ain't got a label, independence, what I've been about. Manifest the vibes I exude, then I send them out.
I hear fun coming across the street from a window. There's a crew I'd like to meet. They live there, unaware of me, and I'm okay with the view and the lovely little fresh tunes they play there. Unaware of me. Unwind, unraveled, I don't want to be told to settle down. I'm too rattled, oh, I'm grown up so quick. I'm having a quarter life crisis. I clench my fist.
All we knew there was a better way.
I clench my fist.
Got bread, I don't cheddar cheese.
I clench my fist.
All we knew there was a better way.
I clench my fist.
All we knew there was a better way.
Silk on your dress, fingerprints on your neck. I'm a prince, I'm a king, I'm the fall, I'm the spring, I'm your favorite thing. It's a dangerous thing. Dig deep, baby, dig deep. I've been waiting for this shit all week. I've been waiting for this shit all year. And right now it seems to lack fear. So, she high in the bottle, I pour up a cup. She pushing the throttle, she swears to Molly. You look like a model, belong in Bugatti. So how you my shawty? Tell me girl, how you my shawty? I swear that I boss up, I'm running up numbers. I swear that I got up out of my slumber, up out of my sleep. Up out of this sleep I've been in. Up out of this sleep. Silk on your dress, fingerprints on your neck. I'm a prince, I'm a king, I'm the fall, I'm the spring, I'm your favorite thing. It's a dangerous thing, it's a dangerous thing, it's a dangerous thing. Oh, baby, tonight all the angels are blind. Locks on the door and the clothes on the floor. The stars can align as I pray for a sign. Peace of mind. Silk on your dress, fingerprints on your neck. I'm a prince, I'm a king, I'm the fall, I'm the spring, yeah.
Summer's gone, but you can be my winter love. Summer's gone, but you can be mine. Summer's gone, but you can be mine. The world stops spinning when you open your eyes, my darling. What a beautiful soul, you deserve your own island. So trust me, I give you that heartbeat, moving fast, the only way I know, the only way, yeah, yeah. Come near me, don't fear me, that's why I'm running, just looking for you. All I wanted was this morning, get you on it. You see I'm drowning, tryna make your love surround me, hoping you never look down at me. Just waiting for the summer to end. Summer's gone, but you can be my winter love. Summer's gone, but you can be mine. The world stops spinning when you open your eyes, my darling. What a beautiful soul, you deserve your own island.
She love me, I'll be the only one, Godspeed. Holy girl, and I know if our time was up tomorrow, I'd put you near me. Now that's real heat. Spin you like a bottle, baby, spin you like Serato. Let me walk you through the golden age, diamond days, purple haze. Show you as the summer face, the difference between night and day.
Summer's gone, but you can be my winter love. Summer's gone, but you can be mine. The world stops spinning when you open your eyes, my darling. What a beautiful soul, you deserve your own island. Summer's gone, but you can be my winter love. Summer's gone, but you can be mine. The world stops spinning when you open your eyes, my darling. What a beautiful soul, you deserve your own island.
You win.
Big child, going wild. Child, That smile, girl, was for you. It's been a while, girl, without you. Free trial, girl, for you.
oh my god, oh my god. Lost my job, lost my job, lost my mind. It's my life, it's alright with you. Your bad side, oh. And I'm going wild, oh. Your bad side, oh. And I'm turning onto you. Your bad side, oh. And I'm going wild, oh. Your bad side, oh. And I'm turning onto you. Claw my way up, oh, oh. Claw my way up, oh, oh. Still claw my way up. Who laid you down? Underrated, babe. Did you think this out? Are you still around? Oh, it's just too long not to know. And your gravity has got me feeling bold. So I just hold, wait, fall back, escape all of these feelings we know. Like, watch, hate, the way that you open me up, you finding out. 'Cause I'm coming undone for your love, oh, for your love. Still get that rush to know you're down. Is it heavier? Are you burning out? Or do you still feel proud? Oh, it's not too late just to know. Yeah, you took from me till I'm skin and bones. Oh. So I just hold, wait, fall back, still escape all of these feelings we know. Like, watch, hate, feel the way that you open me up. Did you find it now? 'Cause I'm coming undone for your love, oh.
I evolve and I absorb, hoping I don't go to court. Couple ounces on the floor, leveling up, man, watch me more. I'm the realest on the planet, changing up the game, all these niggas understand it. Take my girl to Spain, tell her suck my dick in Spanish. Y'all in pencil. Take over the world, support the family, shit is simple. Can't pretend to be friends, all these kids are like my children. Smoke so much weed, make my neighbors move on out the building. I got so much weed inside my house, this shit's ridiculous. I won't stop the grind until I made a couple million. I've been needing rappers all year, this shit's a picnic. My girl looks so good with no clothes on, this shit's offensive. Why are all these rich old white people so damn pretentious? I don't go to parties no more, there's too many pretenders. Go and bite the flow, make sure you pay me my percentage. Went and told the family I'ma blow, look at me go. I be folding mess like laundry all day, man, watch me fold. Intricate with how I'm spitting, got the origami flows. I've been different since public school, my nigga Curlani knows. If you can't swallow your pride, then go and swallow me instead. Said I don't fuck with religion, now they follow me instead. I hear all you do is panic. No lot of y'all wanna know what my plan. I'm the realest on the planet. Smelling like weed, I ain't got no manners. Thinking I got no more room in my family. But to go and do a few shows in Miami. Sleeping on me, y'all writing in jammies. Whole lot of weed that I fit in my chamois. Flows too heat, play it back and I'm canning. I'm a big dog and a king on Manning. I don't got friends, all I got is family. Shows to the one leaf fan with a valley. I prefer with no panties. Hit it from the back when she home from tanning. No man's land gonna change your life, I swear to God, how'd I get so daddy? Hype for a day, I only roll fatty. Squad so fit, only roll with baddies. Gotta put jerk shrimp on my patty.
Caught up in the morning train, found myself digging so deep. Baby, won't you tell me why? Never had to go away. Caught up in the cold and dark, 5 and dime and nickel and tie. Dropping on the wisdom of your eye. I'm tripping on your holy. Chasing all the things that I don't need, calling on the lid of my only pills, filling all the voids that I can't heal, dipping on the scale of the devil who steals, running on the lid of my only way. The whole world is lost inside my head, sipping on the wisdom of your faith when I'm aboard my morning train.
More problem, more change. There's a whole lot of money in this world for lady. I ain't slept in like 48 days, and if I do, I'm waking up on the pavement. I don't wanna feel love. You don't wanna I feel amazing. Baby, won't you simmer for a minute, be patient. Hard for me to focus when the colors of your face keep changing. I know I can be evasive. It's kinda hard for me to fake it. More money, more power, more change. There's a whole lot of money in this world for lady. I ain't slept in like 48 days, and if I do, I'm waking up on the pavement. I don't wanna feel love. She don't wanna, you don't wanna, no much. Skip to water if you wanna, fly you out to Tijuana if you wanna. And these days, sitting 230 on the freeway, only my dogs can relate. I get high and let the memories replay. Baby got the remedy, LSD, then she undressed me. Dear Lord bless me, got that energy, she got that energy. Too strong out, too strong out. Stressed about things, I'm too stressed out. But it'll all turn out, but it'll all turn out. More money, more power, more change. There's a whole lot of money in this world for lady. I ain't slept in like 48 days, and if I do, I'm waking up on the pavement. More money, more power, more change. There's a whole lot of money in this world for lady. I ain't slept in like 48 days, and if I do, I'm waking up on the pavement. I don't wanna feel love. She don't wanna, be the wanna, no much. Skip to water if you wanna, fly you out to Tijuana if you wanna.
My baby's a freak like me, and she knows just what I like. She carries all the keys to the places that no one dares to find. She won't tell nobody what goes on within these walls. If they talk, they probably tell you all about love. My queen got machine gun hips, better duck once they go off. Takes aim, no intentions to miss, so my soul help us all. And it's close to a fight in the midst of neon lights. And my neighbors, they greet me with bags under their eyes, and you know why. My baby's a freak like me, and she knows just what I like. She carries all the keys to the places that no one dares to find. She won't tell nobody what goes on within these walls. If they talk, they probably tell you all about love. Oh, concubine, what are you made of? No resource on this earth is that soft. I swear by God, you are an angel. Ironic how you help me raise here. I let it go, surrender control, as she takes me for a ride. Hands in the air, we offer our souls. It's easy when she's on my mind.
to school, smartest shit that I did. My mama calling, boy, you need your education. Look me in my eyes, she can tell I'm faded. Sipping cause of wine while my records playing. Breaking down sativa, bumping out of wild. Locked up in my room, dodging expectations. Yeah. And Jesus Christ watching me. He probably sipping Hennessy on ice. Top it twice, neon lights flashing on the pearly gates. Haven't got a couple shows tonight. Finna wait in line for a chance to see Prince. Hoping on a second chance at life, just in case the one I'm living in never do me right. And this high completely caught me by surprise. Doubled up on edibles on summer nights. Leather seats for summer weather. When the sun is out, I think I love you better. Pink skies twisted up with the blues. Can't make my eyes stop looking at you. I think I'm drunk enough. Ooh, I think I'm falling in love. What you smoking on? Ooh, I need a hit of that drug. Pink skies twisted up with the blues. I think I'm drunk enough. Ooh, I think I'm falling in love. What you smoking on? Ooh, I need a hit of that drug.
Got an eagle eye, walking a line that's like a needle wide. Need a vine, I'm in the jungle, I need a tree to climb. Going blind, hot boxy alley, but I can see the sky. Getting high with cigarette smokers, but I put weed in mine. Church didn't teach us to preach it, we yelling keep up. Young cheetah feeding on zebras like they were peanuts. Me and all my people, we building like it's IKEA. Gang signs throughout the re-up, I threw like 3 up. Keeping to myself, so I'm keeping the peace. Facing all my problems here, don't let them seep into me. I ain't playing around, better watch how you speaking to me. I don't play games, baby girl, why you playing with me? Yeah, I don't play games with nobody I don't know. Push through the pain, they always throwing low blows. Burning down pounds, put holes into the ozone. Ride around down whiskey, I'm a young sumo. Flexing, I'm not doing none of that. Texting, especially when you text me. Riding through the West End when you check me. But I can see through you like an X-ray. We're from the worst me to the best me. Was an ex-man when my ex left me. Got my shit together, now she wanna text me. But I've been focused on the funds, cut the check, please.
She's been working a lot, she needs to wind down. Been shipping a lot with every kind now. She ain't thinking about no calm down. She's on a lake of carousel and it's going round. She's thinking about the past now, about the future and the present, where she at now. I can't really explain this fucking feeling. She's wondering if anything is really real.
Yeah, I don't play games with nobody I don't know. Push through the pain, they always throwing low blows. Burning down pounds, put holes into the ozone. Riding around down whiskey, I'm a young slow-mo. Flexing, I'm not doing none of that. Texting, especially when you text me. Riding through the West End when you check me. But I can see through you like an X-ray. We're from the worst me to the best me. Was an ex-man when my ex left me. Got my shit together, now she wanna text me. But I've been focused on the funds, cut the check, please.
we have a lot. She said she's shy, I don't believe her. And she turned to a star when the camera's out. Hey, the flowers are lady, be in the shade, we wait till the bloom. She wanna get hitched, but she with my wife and I'm not the groom. They calling me Jazz and she want that band, so she got in tune. And we went to the moon, and we went to the Benjamins ain't kind of fit. She said she want a lot of it. I count it up and give her what she wants. The Benjamins ain't kind of fit. She said she want a lot of it. I throw it up and then she blow the horn. This ain't a front. I'm back in everything I say. Don't say too much. I never quit it. There's a job, I get it done. I wonder bread why they be fighting over crumbs.
Gotta go search for my spirit. Baby, I lost my soul. I've been looking for a reason. I've been learning to grow. I've been right and wrong. I learned to make exceptions. My apologies, I'm so defensive. Fold the thoughts away from my protection. All that I know, I guess I'm too busy working to make this work. Call me if you wanna get hurt. Call me if you wanna relax. Call me if you wanna. I know life gets so slow. I know I get so cold sometimes. Roll some lines down for you. Don't gotta be confused, I'm down for you. Even if I'll never be around for you, I'm down for you. Whenever you in town, smoke a pound or two. Shit, I'm down for you. Shit, I'm down for you. I try keeping my balance in a fight for myself. Tell me how they don't know what happened. I was doing so well. I still battle my instincts. Nobody can tell. They say that he go, the boy, he's so impressive. I don't think they really got the message. I done lost my mind and learned some lessons. All for myself. All for myself, yeah. I guess I'm too busy working to make this work. Call me if you wanna get hurt. Call me if you wanna relax. Call me if you wanna.
My baby's a freak like me. 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 And she knows just what I like.
Hey, okay, candle wax on my tongue. Told you, baby, I'm numb. I can't be your number one. Who has sex without a gun? Give me neck, then give me some of you. Ride me like a bumpy road. Don't you swerve and lose control, cause then I'm bound to have your soul. The things that people do for gold, what makes you think you're getting close to me? Hey, forget the times we didn't kumbaya and finish smooth on by. Don't get it twisted, you dig? I don't believe in limits, I create a different feeling. I can show you mental what is missing. Hey, can't tell the difference from something and nothing. You an impeccable woman, come press my Benjamin button. She like the flexing and stunting. I'm a descendant abduction. I can show you 30 different ways that your body can function.
My baby's a freak like me. 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 And she knows just what I like.
Oh my goodness, you got this. Can't take you out in public, hide my baby like Adonis. No disrespect intended, I'm just saying, girl, you're vicious. You a Leo, I'm a Cancer. I'm a 69er, and that was corny, but she liked it. I just might have to wife it. She drive a nigga crazy, but I don't have my license. That hoe has been suspended for a while now. But it's cool, she still gon' ride like some ties wild. I love it when you just be twerking on some random shit. Around the house in them little ass short shit. I'm a fan of it. Drop that thing low and I'ma catch it. You fucking with a Midwest nigga out of Texas. So yeah, I know a thing about them Daisy Dukes. Bust it open, got some things I wanna do to you. It wasn't till I had you in the front seat of your car, hella fried, that I knew I want that pussy all the time. Oh my God.
My baby's a freak like me. My baby's a freak like me. My baby's a freak like me. And she knows just what I like. My baby's a freak like me. 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 And she knows just what I like.
Came in through the back door, I was not invited. Hiding my dreads, hoping they won't get excited. Everybody knows me now, so I'm hiding. Incognito, lost my mind, yeah, I'm trying to find Nemo. You know what I mean, no? Stuffing up a bad one, get us some Nino. Looking at my third eye, thanks for the bird's eye view. Fans hit me up like I know all about you. I stay up to date on every single thing you do. And then suddenly, I got people tryna dive in the deep end, tryna be friends, but they were making fun of me. Now they realize that there's only one of me. Go my way again, baby. I don't know your name, but I know you gotta pay me.
breeze though, begging all the people. Engines on the sun is up, builders on the steeple. I'll put you in a snow coat. No rest, I'll cut that. Fuck, it might need more backroom silence. Sold them all back for some backroom practice. I'll put you in a snow coat. No rest, I'll cut that. Fuck, it might need more backroom silence. Sold them all back for some backroom practice.
Stereo driller, bumping at the back door, shooting your package. Fuck up, rolled out a shot, got dropped at the villa. Outside picking up bars for your dinner. Never been east, might head for the winter. Said I look cheap, might have solved these fillers. Counting up sheep only makes the time go quicker. Mister, I don't fuck with you, get my clipper. Caught my dick in the bathroom mirror. Thought you never leave, now you're back in prison. Dirty old wizard.
Down goes the fax though, doesn't know the sound though. Failing on your streets too long, diamonds in the bag though. In comes the priest though, begging all the people. Engines on the sun is up, builders on the steam. I'll put you in a snow coat. No rest, I'll cut that. Fuck, it might need more backroom silence. Sold them all back for some backroom practice. I'll put you in a snow coat. No rest, I'll cut that. Fuck, it might need more backroom silence. Sold them all back for some backroom practice.
Black skies getting high, it's 2 a.m. and I don't know why I can't find my way home. There's an old man kicking can, he got empty pockets, true American. He never ever really had himself a home. There's a lady dressed in red, she'll drink her way into your bed in the early morning, slip away, but I didn't even catch her name.
just where we have been. The cotton fields, trails of tears, black boy running from his fields. Steel towers, they crumble down. Once was lost, but now I'm found. Just where we have been. The cotton fields, trails of tears, black boy running from his fields. Steel towers, they crumble down. Once was lost, but now I'm found.
I guess that's just how it is. I'm sorry. Hopefully life can teach you some lessons.
True enough, I had a feeling that you knew too much. Improve on us, improve on me. I'm used to this, but I'm losing. Ever since you left me, I've been empty. I don't wanna think too much, I must be sinking, sinking, sinking. The second that I met you, I knew I would let you break my heart. I won't forget you, I don't get you. Piccadilly, she love me or not. I'll be a steady, you be the rock. Covered in pain, you wanna watch. Go on parole and get all of your stops. I'm on the way down. Nothing to say, nothing to say now. Say you love me, I believe it. Jealous, ugly, self-conceited.
I didn't know how to tell you, but I'm not who I was. And we both need this, I think.
Ever since you left me, I've been empty. I don't wanna think too much, I must be sinking, sinking, sinking. The second that I met you, I knew I would let you break my heart. I won't forget you, I don't get you.
I don't understand, I don't understand, I don't understand. I don't understand, I don't understand, I don't understand. Yeah.
I wrote a pretty, pretty song about a pretty, pretty girl last night. And I feel pretty damn lucky to get a chance to hold her tight. And I wonder, is this heaven? 'Cause she's softer than satin. And I only have one thing on my mind. So hear me when I say that she's on. And then she is so much more. My baby, she's on. It feels better than sex and drugs. Yeah. I'ma take a wild guess
'cause I can't